I've been cooking over 20 years and never once have I done a Gordon Ramsay recipe. Today I'm going to be trying his leek and mushroom pasta. Let me see if it's really worth recommending. So today, guys, we're going to try Gordon Ramsay's leek and mushroom pasta. I've never tried Gordon's recipes before. This is going to be a first. Let's see if it's worth recommending. Now, I know my brother is a big fan of Gordon. Or are you a fan of Bobby?
I've never heard of Gordon. What?
Shut
Gordon
up.
What?
You haven't heard of Gordon.
What are you going to ask me? Can I throw you off?
Yeah. So with this recipe, he slices about 6 to 8 large mushrooms. He takes 1 leek. He takes a leek, he slices it up. Make sure you wash it. I have it all ready to go. And let's get started. All right, I have some avocado oil. We're going to go ahead and throw into the pan. Take your mushrooms. He throws it in. Nice hot pan. I'm going to raise the temperature a little bit. Now, obviously, mushrooms has water in there, so this is all going to come down to a small little piece. Don't worry. To this, a tablespoon of butter. Give it a mix and let it cook a little bit. I want it to caramelize a little bit. So we just let it cook down a little bit more. At the same time, I'm going to add the leek. Take your leek, drizzle it on, give it a mix, and let it just cook down. Really simple. This recipe is actually very simple. Not hard to do at all. While we're waiting for this, I'm going to ask my brother a question. Bobby Flay or Gordon Ramsay?
1000% Gordon Ramsay.
Really?
Yeah.
He's so arrogant. He's such an asshole, though.
That's his persona online. I heard he's not like that.
Yeah.
Not online, but like on TV and stuff.
It is.
I heard he's a really nice guy, but
I heard too. Off camera, I heard he's really, really nice.
yeah.
So this is cooking down. I grew up watching Food Network. Well, not grew up watching Food Network. I've watched Food Network for over 20 years. And Food Network used to be a good teaching class of how to cook food. But I don't know how many years now, it's all been about competition. Come on, Food Network. Bring back real cooking. Right?
Yeah.
It's all about competition. Why? Show us how to cook. Show people how to cook. So that's that. 2 cloves of garlic. Chop it up. Nothing crazy. That goes in.
You've learned not to speak with your knife anymore, huh?
Yeah.
How many cuts you got on your hand?
Oh, dude. I'm surprised I have 10 fingers left. How many of you guys have sliced up your fingers? Woo-wee.
After mine, I barely cook.
Oh, yeah. He microwaved. All right, cool.
My wife cooks pretty much everything.
Yeah. She cooks pretty good.
Right?
Gotta give her credit.
Right?
She's been watching our episodes. So that's cooked down pretty nice. All right. I'm going to add a little bit more butter just because I love butter. Another 1/4 stick goes in. Not a 1/4 stick. Tablespoon. I keep saying it's a tablespoon I just put in. Give it a nice mix. All right, now at this point, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of chicken stock. Give it a mix. You want this to come down to about half. We're going to put in a couple pinches of salt. 1 nice pinch of black pepper. Now to this, we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Oh, this is going to be delicious. And we give it a mix. Okay, now we're going to let this cream thicken up, lower the temperature, and now it's time for the pasta. For this pasta, he puts in a flat sheet of lasagna pasta. I'm going to be using the Papperadelli Pasta. Use whatever you want. We'll go ahead and actually throw in some salt. Slowly throw in our pasta. And we'll let that cook, and then we'll come back. All right, pasta's done. Grab your pasta straight from the actual boiling water. Take it, and don't worry about the water, because that's the starch. We need that, right? Just take that. Let me grab this. This one's easier. Pasta comes out. Perfect. Now we're going to give it a mix. So from what he says to leave the pasta in there and let it absorb all the flavors. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to turn this one off, mix it nice, and we're just going to let it sit and let it marinate. All right, before we plate, some tarragon, as much as you want. Just a little bit. This is going to add a really nice, different flavor to it. You take this, set it aside, grab your plate. Now, look at that. Beautiful. Take some of that mushroom, and now we take a little bit of the tarragon, drizzle it on top, and voila. I wonder why he doesn't put cheese on it. I should have put cheese on it. Tried it with a little bit of cheese. Yeah, some little Parmesan cheese. I'm going to go ahead and dig in, guys. This actually looks pretty good. Let's see. Come on, Gordon. Don't fail me now. It's going to be a hot one.
Honestly, in my opinion, if it doesn't taste good, you screwed up.
You know what it is? It's light and it's not heavy in flavors, but it's actually really, really good. You get a nice little, you taste the tarragon, the mushrooms, the cream. It's actually really good. Not bad at all. I recommend it. You guys should really try this out. Well, there you have it, guys. Gordon Ramsay's Leek Mushroom Pasta. It actually was very simple to make, and it's pretty fast, actually, and it tasted pretty good. I do recommend it. Give it a try, and let me know if you guys try it. Let me know what you guys think. And until then, guess what I'm getting ready to do. We'll see you on the next one.